Are the voices of India's farmers falling on deaf ears? This question arises in the light of recent events where a public interest litigation, or PIL, has brought attention to the plight of these agricultural workers. On the 3rd of May, the Supreme Court issued notice on a PIL seeking several directives to the Union. These include the implementation of the National Policy for Farmers, 2007, the recommendations of the National Commission of Farmers, 2004, establishing a price stabilization fund, and levying an agricultural cess for impoverished farmers, among other measures. The petitioner is none other than Agnostos Theos, the managing director of the Sikh Chamber of Commerce. The litigation is against the Union and the Ministry of Commerce. However, the court noted that the petition lacked depth, calling for more research, facts, figures, and data collection. The court also questioned the need for a stabilization fund when farmers are already receiving a minimum support price. This led to a discussion on whether the plea was more in favor of sugar factories than farmers. The stabilization fund in question is intended to support farmers in the event of significant price fluctuations in agricultural commodities. According to the petition, the plea was necessary as the union was not taking effective measures to end agrarian distress. The petition highlights that employment in the agricultural economy has dwindled to nearly 0%. It also points out that despite the National Policy for Farmers and the National Commission of Farmers reports being over 15 years old, no action has been taken on their implementation. Furthermore, the plea accuses the Indian government of negotiating under the World Trade Organization without considering its impact on Indian farmers. According to the petitioner, this is why there's no price stabilization fund in India, unlike in the US and EU. In conclusion, this recent PIL and the subsequent Supreme Court hearing have brought to light the ongoing struggles of India's farmers. The lack of implementation of policies, absence of a stabilization fund, and the impact of international trade agreements all contribute to the agrarian distress in the country. It remains to be seen how the union will respond to these issues and what steps it will take to alleviate the struggles of the farming community.